Yes, Assalamualaikum brother. How are you? I think you are fine. As you well aware that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel through which you can get a easy solution of your routine life problem. The idea which I want to share with you is that as you well aware that in different housing societies, the cutting is a five marla, one house and another. As you are watching that this house is a five marla and domestic sewage discharge system is given through which the domestic wastage water is disposal. It is also necessary need of every house. As you are watching, this is the housing society, and at every corner of a house, as like this house, the sewage disposal is given as this, and the other house beside the house, the sewage system of another is given as you are watching there. This so right or left side one disposal system from the house, right or left side is given as the basic purpose of to make this video is that presently you are watching that this is the idea I actually want to share with you. The hole is separate from the step. In routine this step is used completely without any hurdle while passing on it, and as and when it required to clean the said hole of sewage disposal hole, it can be separated from this. Two angle has been fixed, one approximately 5 to 6 inches angle, iron made angle, and the another is this is two angles have been welded with the iron rod which has been used into it. Further, I want to shortly explain that how this step, both step has been constructed. The brother who constructed or designed this, actually the polythene first of all was laid downside of it. After laying downside polythene from this to this, after laying it, the whole structure has been developed in routine as these steps have been developed, and in middle as a lantern has been filled in routine to angle has been angle welded angle with the iron rod has been adjusted, and later on marble has been installed as you are watching, and presently this step has become as like part of the whole step. And as you well aware that the disposal hole cleanness oftenly made within 1 year, 1 or 2 time, but in routine it can be used this path without any hurdle. And presently this structure is showing of its beauty as well as its design, and as and when it required to clean the whole of disposal, it it is dragged from these handles, and accordingly clean is done, and later on it cover it as you can watching. This is the idea which I want to share with you, and I think through this idea this idea will be helpful for you. If my idea liked by you, so share it as well as subscribe to my channel, so can you get daily basis such type of idea to ease your life. Thank you.